Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing these Ford Raptor style lights onto the grill of the FJ today.
It's like fine there, but I don't know how the bolt's gonna hold it.
Alright, so we're not sure if we want to drill holes into the grill.
No, should we like drill holes there,
or just stick it in like that?
Or, like if we drill holes, then we gotta like measure properly.
Yeah.
Or we could put like two, one over here.
That'd be pretty cool.
But like, let's try that.
We'll see what happens.
Because if we should do that. Right. So we can't decide if we should do like two little eyes or whatever, like put the lights in the holes there, or if we should do like three lights like on top of the grill, so it'll be like more of like a raptor style thing. So maybe like one here, and then like one here, and then like one on that side. Shit.
Alright, so we thought that putting the lights where the O's are look kind of weird, so we decided to put 3 lights on the top of the grill, as you can see. Hopefully it'll look good.
Alright guys, so from what I remember, I think this clear wire over here is positive, so we're just gonna tap into there. I can get my hands in between here. I'm not trying to remove the grill. I might get a lighter.
Come around the side.
I think I'm gonna get a lighter because it's
okay.
burning something. I just can't tell what it is.
Your finger?
It smells like barbecue, bro.
Probably burned your hair.
Shit. Yeah, here I'm poke the wire.
Oh, no, shit.
Shit. So we just gotta plug this wire and then let's do that. Let's wire it first, make sure it actually works, and then we'll do that.
Yeah.
Oh, did it work?
Yeah. It's so bright. But your halos didn't turn on for your daytime running lights.
Oh shit.
They look good though.
They look pretty sweet. Shit, they hella bright, yo. Positive's kind of done. I don't want to go under the truck today. Fuck. I'm done the wiring. You wanna check if they work?
Alright, check it out.
Oh, they're working.
They're working?
Yeah.
There we go. Sick. Looking pretty minty.
Christmas tree.
Looks sick. Look at all those wires though.
We'll clean that up right now.
Dang.
They're like everywhere, yo.